Hello, this is Jules from VR Tracker to show you another type of demo this time. It is not going to be about virtual reality, but about projection mapping and tracking on a stage. So I've set up a projector on the floor. It just projects on just right there. And what I have is a tracker in my pocket with the LED that I'm going to put on my t-shirt. And the goal is to have a very simple example of a blob following the tracker in 2D, so in projection mapping. The reason is that we've had some clients lately ask us about other applications than VR, and especially stage tracking. So the ability to be able to track a person on a stage or objects on a stage and be able to follow them with a projector or either a video projector or just a light projector. So projection mapping or just follow with a projection. All right, so I'm just going to set up the phone and the LED there. And I'm just gonna put the phone right here. All right. Should be okay. Okay, so you can see the blue blob right there, and I can move on side. And so you see, the problem is that, okay, I'm going to try to have some focus here. So the problem is that it quickly goes out of range because it is too high on the t-shirt for the projector to follow. So I'm just going to remove the LED and show you it's gonna be where my hand is. Okay. So I think it showed that we could, of course, do much better with that kind of system. Here the calibration was really bad for the projector, and I had to disable all the smoothing features that we have. But I think we definitely can do something great with that, especially for basic tracking. And I don't know, you like it? Just give me your feedback on that. It was just. Once again, I just took a few hours today to try that, so there is a lot to improve upon that, but let me know if you're interested in learning more and maybe I'll improve them. Cheers!